Good morning. My name is Etienne Ducrot. I'm a general manager at GZTech, and it's my pleasure today to introduce you a new product. We call it SolarS Solar Home System. The main goal of the system, as obviously described by the name, is to provide you solar energy into your home. Now, I will show you in a short while how to install the system. Now, after you buy the equipment, the system, you will get a box, and in the box you will find all the necessary equipment, like the solar panel, like the battery, and like the solar controller. Now, the solar controller is a key element. It's the element which is going to control the energy from the sun, the energy from the battery, and the power consumption of your home. So this is the way the solar controller looks like. You have basically two input connectors, one for the battery, one for solar panel, and on the other side you have all the connectors for the domestic appliances. In the front panel you will find later on the LED diodes to indicate that the device is working properly, and a main switch, only one button. Now, I want to say that this controller is very safe, because the voltage out of the plugs here is only 24 volts. Okay, it's very robust and reliable, so no breakage, and very easy to install. I'm going to show it to you now. So as I said, in the box you will find the solar panel, the battery, and the controller. Now, how to install? Very easy. First of all, I will install the battery. So I already installed the cable, which is also in the box, and the cable has a red terminal, which you can insert in the red connector of the solar controller. There is no way to make mistake, because if you hold the controller, the connector in the wrong way, you can insert. So you have to turn it out, and you connect. Here you see that the controller is on. You see already the green diodes indicate that there is a battery connected. Now, what about the solar panel? The same way in the box you find the cable. So easy installation again. You take the solar connectors and insert the connectors. You position your solar panel at a position where obviously you have maximum of sun, and the other side you connect to the controller. This time the connector is blue, and the connector here is also blue. Same way, no way to make mistakes. I can insert, and you see a second green LED which indicates that the solar panel is connected, and energy is coming actually from the panel, charging the battery. Now, how to use this installation, because now installation is ready for use. You see, it took me about 2 or 3 minutes just to install. Now, how to use it? In the box you will find all kind of appliances, and here, for example, the bulb. So the bulb comes with its connector and the switch. This connector goes to the other side of the controller. Same way, you cannot make mistakes by connecting wrongly the connector. Okay. Now I switch on the controller. You see a third diode indicates that the controller is on, and then I can switch on and off the light. Okay. Okay, light is important, but obviously you can power more devices. And for instance, here I have a short demo of this device, which is an extension for USB plug. You know, more and more in the home we have USB powered devices like mobile phone or tablets, which you need to charge from time to time. Same way, you take the controller, connect the extension using the same cable into the controller, and then when it's done, these USB plugs are all activated. Then you can take, for example, I took a radio as a device which is powered by USB. I connect the radio onto the plug, and hopefully you can see that the radio is on. Okay. Okay, then you have to tune. I can now show you that you can connect also more powerful devices than only radio and lighting. I have here with me a very useful device, a fan. And I will show you the way to connect. Same way, the connector. The controller is already on. You see the LED here, the green one. Okay, and then you can activate the fan. So more device you can power. I will show you on the hi-fi system. We have a interesting hi-fi system, same brand, Solaris. Connectivity of this device is using same connectors as previously for the light or for the fan. Same way, you connect to one of the outputs of the controller, and then you should see that the device is already on. And then I need to select the right input to enjoy the music at home. Unplug. Well, another device which is very useful is obviously a TV set. And again, same installation. Now you are very familiar with the cable. Just plug the cable. Then you see the TV is on. You see the diode. I need to switch on now to get the picture. Sorry. Okay. Now you can also enjoy TV at home with the same system. And we have much more devices which you can connect the same way. But before I show you more devices, I can also explain to you that here you have 4 outputs. If you have more than 4 appliances to connect, then you can also use an extender, 1 input, 3 outputs. So it means if you connect this one, you can have additional devices powered by the same equipment. Now let me show you some of the equipment you can also connect to this solar system. We have rice cookers, also equipped with same plug. So connection exactly the same. Now you can have a water boiler. You can have iron. And well, we have a long list of domestic appliances you can also use with the system. So again, as you have seen, very easy to install, very easy to use, safe, 24 volts, so no risk of electrocution, and very robust system, so no failure expected from the system. Very basic, very strong, and very robust solution. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the demo, and I wish you are convinced by the quality of the Solaris products. And I invite you to take contact with your distributor, or contact us on email or by telephone. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.